Something happened to me, somebody says to me, it happened to me, what is happening to me? A lot of things come to mind when something happens to you. You might to blame someone, but this is not the way. You can tackle the situation that is happening right now in your life with the three things. And so in this video I will talk about these things. So listen carefully. The first one is leave it as it is. Means either you can control the situation or the situation will control you. In either way it will happen. So don't worry about that. And the second is harvest the good. Means you see a lot of people blaming others, blaming themselves that this is not happening, this is not happening. But there might be something good in that. You can seek it, you can find it, you can harvest the good from that situation, because in every situation there is something good that is left behind and you have to seek it. And the third is forgive the rest. Simply forgive. Forgive means let it go completely, abandon it, release it from now. You simply forget it, forgive everyone else. You don't do anything. Simply abandon and release the situation from your life right now. So these three things is very helpful when you're dealing with some problems or some situations in your life. So remember these things when something happens to you. So in the end I will conclude with these three things once again, and hope you will apply this in your life as well. The first one is live as it is. Second is harvest the good. You will find every positive in each and everything. Third, forgive the rest. For good means leave it, abandon it, or release it from your life right now.